Hey guys, Christmas Day. This is really for myself. The little nut on the end of my spindle is not reverse thread, it's normal thread. So the trick here, put something in the vise like that you can catch the grooves in the spindle. Basically, have someone help you. Spindle goes down on here, and then you can use the little tool back there to undo that really strong nut. And it's normal threads, righty tighty lefty loosey, and then you basically just use a rubber mallet to tap the spindle out of the quill. And now I'm going to try and get my bearings to line up properly so I can take the runout out of this spindle. Alright,